see if I can steer you through.
Hold on.
Braking now. Okay, we're back on track.
Let's do that other sequence.
Okay, let's try it again, this time with the anti-lock brakes.
ABS reactivated.
Braking.
All right, that's the way it ought to be. You see how ABS lets you keep control of the vehicle while braking? Let's demonstrate some extreme test conditions.
Okay. That's hot.
No suntan.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
This is what you
Did
need
you
on the
remember
beach.
to turn off those rowboats?
Clear for track course A.
All right, let's pick up the pace.
Increasing speed 10%. 20%. 30%.
Are you seeing an increase in lateral forces?
Sure am. Ready for the barrier test.
Check. Hang on tight. Increase speed for the loop.
Accelerating. I can still be a NASCAR driver.
As long as they're heated up, let's grab a thermal image.
Will do. Cameras on. Looks like all components are well within test parameters.
Well, all right, that completes our test schedule. Let's download the
Oh my god!
Thanks for being such a
Oh my
good
god!
Come back and ride anytime.
Watch your step.
That is priceless.
And remember to take all your personal